Hey everybody, it's Brandon Doherty, Sunday with DWG. This is going to be a short one. Hope you're well. Post-traumatic storm disorder for everybody, including myself, especially. All right, so um, 90% confirmed hit the low end for snow in each county. Confirmed. Um, in Kent County, Sandtown, 11.2, Felton, 9, Dover, 8, Woodside, 8, Smyrna, 7.5, Frederica, 7.1, Westover, 5.9, Smyrna, 5.4. Okay. So the um, for Kent County, the low end was, I think, 7. So basically, I missed in only two confirmed areas. So, but as long as the low is hit for more than I think it's more than 2 or 3 places in a locale, that is a confirmed thumbs up. Okay, now let's see. Newcastle County, where I had my doubters, including myself. Bears 6.0, Odessa 5.2, Glendale 5, Hockessin 4, Blackbird 4, Taylorville 4, Claymont 3.7. I had 4.5 outside in my backyard. So Port Penn 3.5, Newcastle County Airport 3.4, Tally Glasgow, Newark 2.8. So the lower end of my forecast were places mainly mainly further west. Again, this was a storm where the further west you were, the further north or west you were, the lower the amounts because the storm was a little further east. However, the precipitation shield got back enough to, let's say, places south and east of Philadelphia or Wilmington, and that's where the amounts were highest. Sussex County. I mean, really? I had to worry about this? I didn't worry about this. Lewis, 14.2, as opposed to the guy who got on and said we only had 2 inches. It's because you had blowing snow. When you have blowing snow, it looks like you didn't have much because the snow is blown to other places. So therefore you can't it's hard to get an accurate measurement unless you do it the correct way. And these people who are trained Messinet and train spotters and storm chasers and all that stuff confirmed the amounts. Millsboro 11.1, Stockley 9.3, Dagsboro 9, Bethany 9, Georgetown 9, Lewis, Nassau, Lewis University, Seaford, Bridgeville, Laura all in the 5.9 area. And again, even though those places were in Sussex County, you were further west of the coast where the impacts were greater. Okay, so you might have missed out on a lot of that heavy banding that was taking place mostly at the shore points or beach points. So, because my low end for Sussex was, I think, anything less than 9 or 10, and then my max was 18 or something. So I think this pretty much confirms that I did pretty well, except for places west of the coastal region. So, okay, so not perfect, not foolproof. So, but sorry, that goes to 90% of my coverage area. I mean, in terms of my um, my lower amounts. So, and that's why you're given a range. It's based on precipitable water. For this storm, you could have received less precipitable water and gotten more inches. So, those places probably that had lower amounts got lower amounts because they had less precip, but because the ratios were so high, it looked like they had a little bit more than usual. Okay. And to top it all off, we had a confirmed blizzard. Sorry. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, can confirm that blizzard criteria was met last night and this morning along the coastal strip of New Jersey and along the Delaware beaches, including the areas of Long Beach Island, Monmouth Coast, Atlantic City, Cape May. All the Delaware beaches, a blizzard is defined as 3 or more hours of visibility reductions, 1/4 mile or less, due to falling or blowing snow and sustained winds of frequent of 35 miles per hour or greater. All forecasted, all out there for everybody. Check. Now, that was the one thing that I wasn't sure of until I just looked at it. So now the blizzard was confirmed. Everything went as planned. There were no significant, um, real significant details missed. I mean, the higher amounts were forecasted, of course, because if the storm had come a little bit further west, everybody would have gotten 8 to 10 inches or more. And down the beaches, they would have gotten 20 inches. So, you know, this is an inexact science. You don't know until the storm happens and it's there. But one thing that should dictate it: where's the storm going? If they say it's going more north and east, places north and east of the storm are going to get more snow. Why do they always say north and west of 95 are going to get more? Because north and west of 95 are going to get more, because that's where the storm, the mean of the storm, will be. So those are the things you have to think about when you like your area is missed, or you don't get as much as it was predicted, or anything. Where do you live as opposed to where the storm was? So again, it kind of comes down to knowing your location, knowing where you live in comparison to where the storm is and where the storm is going and where the heaviest precip will be. All right, that's it for me, Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy. Appreciated everybody's help. Take care. I will see you maybe sometime next week, but it's supposed to be warmer, no major storms, and I'm out. Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy. Adios. Thank you for spending your Sunday morning with DWG.